In Southwest Virginia, life moves a little slower. People say there's not much happening here. And if you want a bright future, you have to leave. But here's the truth. From Wytheville to Bristol, Marion to Galax, Abingdon, Lebanon, Bluefield, Duffield, Tazewell, and all points in between, Southwest Virginia is making things happen. Careers in manufacturing are growing right here. Imagine your future in manufacturing, where opportunities are as diverse as your ambitions. You could become a skilled machinist, turning raw materials into precision products. Step into robotics and automation, designing the technology that drives the industry forward. Lead the charge as a production supervisor, ensuring quality and innovation on every project. Or explore industrial engineering, solving big challenges with smart solutions. There's a place for creators, problem solvers, and leaders in modern manufacturing. And right here in Southwest Virginia, we're making more than just products. We're shaping the future. From precision components that power global industries to innovative materials driving progress in construction and technology, we're producing goods that touch lives every day. From the cars you drive to the homes you build, Southwest Virginia thrives at the crossroads of ideas and effort. And it all starts with you. You can make something great and make a difference. Right here in Southwest Virginia. Make something of yourself. Make it here.